Hi friends, we're here to help you take the first step towards building a DIY aquarium at home. The DIYer started by making the base of the aquarium first, and for that, he's using concrete and wire. To make the legs of the aquarium, he's simply filling these two plastic containers with concrete and is letting it dry completely until it looks like this. Moving on with the following steps. Next, the DIYer placed a large box on top of the concrete base and started arranging stones all around it in the demonstrated way. This way, he's building the walls of the aquarium. He's basically applying the same steps with each stone until he reaches the top of the box. As you can tell, each of these stones have initially been covered in concrete. Perfect! And this is how the aquarium should look at this phase after all of the stones have been used. Spraying a little bit of water all around the concrete stones. Applying another layer of a liquid concrete. Applying a layer of white paint in and out. It's time to embellish the aquarium with colors. The DIYer is applying blue paint on the inner part and the black paint on the outer part. This is so satisfying to watch. While aquariums do require regular upkeep, they're certainly more low maintenance than many alternatives. One of the best things about a DIY aquarium is the amazing color, vibrancy, and interest it can bring to your home. Absolutely amazing! Thank you for watching!